Hello and welcome to Getting Better at Things. Today we'll get better at Excel. Here is a first step into PowerQuery. We're going to create a small phone list. So on the Data tab, I'm going to get data from File, from Workbook, and I have an Excel file, let's say on a SharePoint with some employee data that I would like to use in my daily work. There we are. It's fake data, obviously. I'm going to import the data. There. Now we only want to retrieve the data for one particular company, and we only want to retrieve the names and their matching email addresses. That's all we want, and the phone number maybe. There we are. There's our data. I'm going to transform the data. Now PowerQuery will automatically try to detect the type. I don't want that because it will actually see the phone number as a numeric value. I'm going to use the first row as headers. Again, PowerQuery tries to detect the type. I don't want that. Use first row as headers has automatically named all the columns. And now we want to do a number of things. For example, the last name and first name, I would like to have them together in one column. I'm going to transform and I'm going to do a merge column. I'm going to add a comma in between. There we are. I'm going to use a comma and I'm going to call that employee name. Done. Then we'll select only the columns we really need, but let's filter for only one company. There's one company. I'm going to select just this one. There we are. And we only want the name of the person, just name of the person, their phone number and their email. That's all we want. Right mouse button, remove other columns. There. Now you might also want to include a key, but the email is sufficient key in this case. Now I'm going to go to the Home tab, close and load to. I'm going to insert a table into my document in the current worksheet. There is my data. There. Now I have all of the names and the phone numbers and their emails. And if tomorrow the person someone updates the file with new employee data, I can simply right-click and press refresh. You see, that's why you would use PowerQuery, because you don't want to do this multiple times. Makes no sense. I hope you enjoyed. Cheers.